Hey guys, so I created a Superman shape for my shapes. So I started out with a div and copied the, which one is it? The cut diamond from that website source we were given to look at. Sorry, there we go. So I created that, put a red background on it, and then made a second version and just shrunk it up a little to make it smaller. And then from there I needed to make that Superman for the S. I called it Fancy S for the class, and I made a few of them because at first I wasn't quite getting the pseudo class before and after for the styling. But so I basically for the S I took some rectangles, one large rectangle in the middle, and then I did a couple of the triangles, one for the top and one for down, and I cut into it with a couple more triangles, added the yellow background, and for the lines I added into it for the before and after positions. I added in the basically a parallelogram and a rectangle with some shadowing effect. And that is my shape. Thank you.